the people. But as we've seen now over 2.5 years of protests in the so-called Arab Spring, the demonstrations come up from a sense of frustration and anger at the policies of the government, and then if you carry out these kind of crackdowns, they naturally spread. So I would consider it's a very dangerous situation, and if you couple it with the situation in Syria, which the government is also involved in, we could be looking at a real powder keg exploding in the near future.
Indeed, and speaking about Syria, we know that Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdogan is a very close ally of Washington, especially in the case of Syria. With the case of inside Turkey, how do you think Washington will treat the case? Do you think it will side with the Prime Minister or with the people?
Well, see, that's a real predicament, because you're right, the Prime Minister has acted on behalf of the NATO-U.S. policy. This is the Tony Blair regime change policy that Obama is following. And they've depended on him, and he's helped out the rebels and supplied